Hey golfers, this is Charles Brown, the Boss Golf, and I am back to talk to you about Lahinch in Ireland. This is a absolute bucket list level course. This is an old Tom Morris design of St. Andrew's fame, and it was later redesigned by Alister MacKenzie of Augusta fame. This course is everything. An enchanting golf course that is truly unique. It is both rugged and majestic. The routing is different from any other course you will ever play. It is fun and challenging from beginning to end. The quirks on this course are what makes it special. It is something that you'll just say, why would you do that? And then you'll walk away saying, why don't more courses do that? It's about the terrain. It's unique. It's special. And it's like Ireland. It's something special that will always be with you once you play it. It's a perfect Irish golf course with massive dunes, beautiful sea views, and endless charm. It's a definite bucket list, and I give it my highest recommendation if you are in the southwest of Ireland. It's very high ranking on my Ireland golf list. And if anybody actually wants to get my complete Ireland golf list, which I think comprises of at least 15 courses, hit me in the comments and I'll give it to you.